Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the ESA 60kW unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the ESA 60kW series box. The box is labeled with directions on the front and back. There are also some cautionary labels. We need to pry the folded clips apart with a hammer. Then remove the top cover first. Next, remove the side covers in turn. The accessory pack are placed on the back of the energy storage cabinet. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of ESA 60kW. Take a look at the appearance of ESA 60kW from different views. Length is 1,108 mm. Depth is 1,111.5 mm and the height is 2,050 mm. Insert the key where the video shows and turn the knob, and the door will open. Now let's take a look inside the cabinet. There are many ports. Cabinet level fire protection. Thermo bulb automatically senses when there is a fire. When the temperature exceeds 79 degrees Celsius, the thermo bulb will burst. And then they sprayed smoke to put out the fire. Packaging grade aerosol fire protection. Containing the fire to a single pack. Precision cooling and fire extinguishing. Main valve precise pressure opening and unloading. Product advantage introduction. DC and AC compartments can be disassembled and assembled. Maximum expandable capacity 30 kW per 180 kWh. C4 corrosion protection grade. Meet the use of high salt spray places. ESA 60kWh cabinet supports remote shutdown from computers and cell phones. Installation ET30 on the ESA 60kW. Here are the main tools prepared for the installation of ESA 60kW. We can remove the cover from the top of the cabinet. Attach the 4 lifting rings on each side. Then it can be moved by a crane. Next, we connect the packs. Remove the cover from the port. Take out the copper bars from your accessory bag. Connect the negative terminal of the upper pack to the positive terminal of the lower pack with a copper bar and tighten the screws. Finally, put the outer cover back. Remove the protective cover of the first pack. Terminate the cable and screw it to the pack. Attach the other end of the cable to the power control unit components in the appropriate location. Connect the battery pack to the power control unit with another copper bar. Prepare the ET30 bracket. Remove the 6 fixing screws from the side of the cabinet. Secure the backplate. The inverter is then mounted on the side of the storage cabinet in the appropriate position. Remove the plates on both sides of the bottom of the equipment. Prepare 2 battery connecting cables. Mount the one side of the cable on the cabinet. Remove the bottom waterproof cover and route the cable through the hole. The other side of the cable wraps around to the inverter side. Attach terminal to cable and connect to inverter. Take out the communication cable from the accessory pack. Similarly, through the whole copper and connect to the inverter. The other end of the communication plugs into the master communication port of the cabinet. Don't forget to install the ground wire. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.